Hello, a very good morning to all. Today in this video, we had to discuss about some more information about the flash file. In the last video, we had to discuss about some information, basic information about the flash 8. So in this video, we will know about how can we create a layer, delete a layer, and hide and locking the layer, and also make some animation like this. So yeah, I've already make some animate and flash file. So we will open this file, and here we will make this type of animation with using a Macromedia Flash 8 software. So first we will open the Macromedia Flash 8 software. So double click on this icon, so the Macromedia Flash window will be open. Then we will create a new flash document. So click this option, flash document, and first we will know about how can we create any new layer. So this is the layer 1, so this is our default set, and then after we will create a new layer. So here the bottom side, this is the plus icon, so we will click this plus icon, so automatically the new layer will be inserted. And suppose you want to hide this layer, then how can we hide this layer too? So simple, select the particular layer, and then after we will go to the this eye option. So click this eye option, then at this layer 2, all the content have been hide to the stage. And then after we will remove this hide option, so simple press this eye option, so automatically the layer 2 contains all contents have visible to this stage. And suppose you want to lock the layer, then how can we lock? So first we will select the given the any layer, and then after here the lock icon, understand? So with the help of this lock icon, you can simple lock the all contents to the given layer. So then after you will not be added any contents to the given layer if you have to lock the layer, understand? And then after we will know about how can we delete the particular layer. So suppose you want to delete this layer 1, and then how can we delete? So there have a two method. Simply you have to press the right mouse button, then window will be open. So here delete layer option, and also we will delete this layer with the help of this delete option. So we will press this delete option, and automatically the layer will be deleted from the this window, understand? So this is the basic information about the flash file to create any layer, delete a layer, and edit our layer. And suppose you want to rename a layer, then how can we rename? So simple press the double click on this icon, layer 1, given layer, then after you can simple type any name to the given layer. So here I have write the layer 1, then create a new layer. So press this icon, and here layer 3, so we will change the layer name. So simple double click and write the name of layer 2, understand? So this is the method for creating a layer. Then after we will create some animation. So how can we create? So here first we will set the layer 1, and then after we will go to the menu bar, a toolbar, and here we will select this oval tool option. Here we will go to this option. So here this is the stroke hinting, and this is the color option. So here you will change the setting according to your choice. Then after we will press the left mouse button and drag the mouse button on the layer 1 option. So automatically the circle will be inserted to the given layer. So this is the layer 1, and we will make the same circle on the layer 2. So how can we make the layer 2? So first we will select the layer 2, and then after we will make a circle. So drag the mouse button and release the left mouse button, so automatically the circle will be inserted. And then after we will go to this timeline option. So here first we will set the frame and inserting a frame. So how can we insert the frame? So this is the layer 2, and we will insert the layer 2 frame. So first we will click the left mouse button on any so here this is the 25 value. So here we will first left mouse button, and then after click the right mouse button, and then we will go to this option, insert frame. So this frame will be set to the layer 2. Then after we will apply and set the same layer timeline to the layer 1. Then how can we make how can we insert? So first we will select this layer 1, and then after click the left mouse button, and then after right mouse button and insert the frame. So this is layer 1 and this is the layer 2, and the same timeline will be also we have to apply. Then after we will move this circle to the right direction, and this circle we will move to the left direction. So how can we move? So first we will select this layer 1 and click the left mouse button on the layer 1, and then after we will press the arrow key to the keyboard and set the frame. So how can we set the frame? So we will press the F6 and this frame will be set. So this is a frame set. Then after we will apply the same frame to the layer 2. So how can we apply? So first we will select the layer 2, and then after use the left keys to the keyboard, then after press the F6. So we will continue the same approach again and again. Then after use the right keys to the keyboard, and then after press the F6, and after we will go to the layer 2 option and move to the layer 2 circle on the left direction and press the F6. So this is the layer set. Then after we will go to the layer 1 and move to the layer 1 circle to the right direction, and here layer 1 and layer 2 circle have be collapsed to each other. So in this case the both circle will be explode. So how can we apply the effect? So simple, right click on this layer 1 circle, and here we will be go to this timeline effect, and we will go to this effect option, and here the explode feature. So click this explode feature and click OK button, and then after we will apply the same animation to the layer 2. So we will move to this layer 2 on the left direction, and then after we will press the F6 and press the right mouse button and go to the timeline effect option, and here we will go to the effect option, and here we will select the blur and OK. So now the animation is created. Then we will check means all animation has working is well or not. So how can we check? So we will press the enter keys, so the all effects are applied. And suppose you want to save this file, then how can we save? So we will go to this file option and click this file option, and we will go to this export option. So here we want to, if you want to export the movie, then simply click this export movie option. Otherwise you can save this animation file with the help of this save option. So I have to select the export movie option, and then after here this window will be apply for where you want to save the file. So here we will set the desktop icon, desktop, and then after here we will write the file name flash file and press the save button and OK. So now we will go to the desktop, and here flash file. So we will press this flash file option, flash file icon, double click, then the animation is created. Understand? So thanks for watching this video.